Hey folks, welcome to my 24th video of Node.js series. In this video, we are going to talk about middleware and how to serve static files in Node.js. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So this is the code from my last video, and you can see I have created another CSS file which is style.css in my assets folder, and this is my index.ejs, and you can see I tried to link my style CSS in this index.ejs file. Now let's try to run this file, and you can see, let me refresh, and you can see this style.css is not loading. You can say failed to load the response data, no data found for resource with given identifier. So why this happened? Just because we are dealing with in this file, you can say, yes, you can say in this file we are only dealing with our index.ejs files, or you can say our ejs files. We are not dealing with our static files like style.css or images or something else. So for this kind of problem we will use middlewares. So that's where middleware comes into picture. So let's understand what is middlewares. So middleware name itself says how it will work. So it's a request and it is response, and between this request and response the middleware will work. So you can say this is a request. Now let's say you have to implement authentication function, or you can say I have to serve static files, or many more things you can do with this middleware. And after this middleware run, this next function will call the response. So this will continue our function calling. So let's understand it with an example. Now let's create our middleware. So let's say after get, let's provide here path, let's say abc, and let's provide here function, and function is containing request response, and you have to provide here next. So we have to provide here next in every middleware, just because next will help us to go to another function or continue our control. So let's say, let's provide here request url, and now let's call next. So next will continue our flow of the control to another function. So now let me just refresh it, and let's go to abc, and you can see this is calling slash abc, means this is printing slash abc, means this function is running before running this another functions. Let's provide here, let's provide here another message. So let's say hello world. Now let's say, and you can see hello world. Now express is having inbuilt some of the middlewares, and we are using this middleware which is app.use. Use is the method to use our middleware, and this is our assets folder path. This is our asset folder, and this is the syntax to serve our static file. So this is express.static, and this is assets. So this assets will take this file automatically from the asset folder, and we can access this assets folders file with the use of this inbuilt methods. So let's go to our index.ejs, sorry, app.js, and you can see this file. Now let's try to run this. So we have already running our project, and now let's try to access assets slash style.css, and so you can see this is how we can access our static files data with the use of app.use and this syntax. If I change this file's name, let's change to, let's say abc, and let's change this file's name, let's say abc, and now let's try to run this. So let me press enter, and you can see we are again accessing the same files, and the name is changed. So that's how we can serve our file in Node.js, and also that's how we can use middleware in our Node.js applications. So if you haven't checked out my previous videos, then kindly check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.